S and our M. So we actually have all the letters to put, this is even to help you with your homework. We've cracked the code, right?
It's kind of like addition.
Yes?
I am such a visual person, but I'm not getting this. I don't understand, why is the conclusion in each, if these are standing, if these are standing for
Major premise, minor premise, conclusion. So, can anybody tell Mrs. Samoya what term is going to be in the major premise? Yes?
The major term.
They're matching major. Is our major term here?
Yeah.
And we know it's the major term because it's the conclusion of the predicate. That will, those definitions, by definition.
And the middle terms are not, you can tell which one is which. Because the middle terms are and they're across from each other. Premises, not in the conclusion. The middle terms in the blue, they're not in the conclusion.
correct.
Only the minor term in the conclusion is always before the major.
So here we go. Do you guys see, are these colors matching?
Yes.
So these have to go. Which one does the minor term go in, Mrs. Samoya? The major premise or the minor premise?
Minor premise.
And where does the major term go? In the major?
premise.
Now we don't know where it is, right? It could be this way, it could be this way, it could be this way, it could be this way. We don't know. So all we have to do is label them, and it could be different. So that's why I said this is a foreshadowing to the next lesson, because you're going to have to find out where the middles are. But do we have the formula? Do we find all our parts? When we open a thing and we have to put it together, we have to find all our parts, yes?
Yes.
So once we have the tools to find all our parts, and we found our conclusion, we have the tools to label everything else. I'm going to call this math time so we still can play our game. Is that cool? Because is this now turning into math?
Yes.
This is math now. If we've labeled all of our variables, instead of S standing for some pagans, S could stand for 1, right? What is a variable, people? It's just a what?
An unknown number.
It's an unknown number, or what else?
Unknown fact.
An unknown term. And later, because I know what's coming next, it can stand for a whole sentence. It's just a placeholder.